Hey everyone, it's Brad here. Just wanted to make a quick little video kind of showing you guys off the new Diamondback cover here. It's the new Switchback. It's kind of how it latches here. Just pop that up and then it comes right out like that. And then you can pop it up and secure it like that. You got one on the other side too here. And then it just latches right to your rails that are already come standard with the truck. I don't know if you guys can see there, but there's two clamps on either side. I clamp the very front of it. And then you guys have your tie down points right here. And then all the way at the very front right here. Looks pretty good. I haven't had Diamondback before. This is my first cover for Diamondback. But I have had the back flip, and I like this a lot better. So you got one fold. The only thing that I don't like about this is there's no way to secure this one if you just want to leave it half partially open like that. So this will bounce around. But then you got one more here, which you got to kind of put pressure back because this little mounting part right there, it won't let you fold it down all the way. You can see that's this piece that I'm talking about right here. If it goes back and forth, so you have to put pressure pushing it back like that. And then all you do is you take this tie down strap here and you just loop it through this spot right there, and it'll hold it open like that. Not too bad. It's a little bit harder to fold than the back flip, that's for sure, but the nice thing is it can support weight up top, which is really nice in case you want to strap something down on top. And then from what I've heard, it's a little bit more waterproof than the back flip. I've had problems with my back flip leaking in the past. And this seal just seals it up a little bit better. You guys can see it's contours pretty well to it. And then they give you these little, I don't know if you can tell right there, little moldings that you put in between to help completely seal it up. I love it so far. It's working out real nice. If I only had one gripe for it though, it would be these plastic hinges. Wish they were just a little bit more well built, but gets the job done. It secures it down. Be nice if it had one long bar that goes across, so you can just kind of twist here and it would secure it, but you know what? If that's the only gripe, then that's not bad. But overall, I absolutely love it. Fits the truck really well. Matches the running boards too. I had the TRD running boards on there. And yeah, looks good.